So guys, there are some of you here who have been asking what's the difference between the Toyota Innova Zenix hybrid versus the non-hybrid variant. So since we've been comparing it with the likes of the Destinator and even the Innova Diesel, I've been comparing it. We have a comparison now up on our channel, no? So because we've been comparing it, might as well let's talk about it. So both variants have the same 2.0 liter gasoline engine, but of course the higher Q variant, Zenix Q variant, has a hybrid system compared dun kay Zenix V, non-hybrid siya. So yun, regular lang siya na gasoline engine. So dun pa lang fuel efficiency, you need to go for the Q hybrid. Then aside from the hybrid system of the Zenix Q, you have also larger wheels, 18-inch alloy wheels for the Zenix Q, while only 17-inch for the Zenix V variant. Then you also have fabric seats only for the Zenix V variant, and the reclined manual lang kay Zenix V, while si Zenix Q hybrid is naka-power po yun and naka-leather seats na din siya. Captain seats pareho, so both can cater 7 people. And then lastly, major difference ng Zenix Q top of the line versus the Zenix V base model is yung kanyang Toyota safety sense na tinatawag natin. 360-degree camera, rear sensing, pre-collision braking, and then sides, blind spot monitoring, and lane keep assist. So aside from that, you get to enjoy the space and the the utilitarian and the sophistication factor ng ating beloved na Innova Zenix family car. So yan, what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments for more reviews and comparisons. And if you're someone or you know someone who's looking to buy either of these cars, Toyota, please give me a message on Facebook, and I hope I can help you achieve your first or your next dream car. So sana tulong, follow for more.